What is up, guys? It's your boy Halfway Kicks. We are back. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, and comment. My name is Bendo.
And my name is AJ. And we also got
Drew in the house.
Ooh, what's up, Drew?
What up?
Fact checker extraordinaire.
Extraordinaire. So today, what do we have?
Some Jordan 1s.
Jordan 1s.
Again with the Jordan 1.
Show you.
Let's go straight to it. Let's go straight to it.
Go straight to it.
Dang, already out the box.
Somebody call me a taxi. Cabs? No.
So these released September 24th.
The cabs are here? Is that what you said?
Cabs are here. September 24th, retails at $170. How would you describe the leather on these ones right here?
I think they are a tumble leather, right, Drew?
Yep, tumbled
Fact
leather.
checker.
Tumbled leather, man.
And it's nice tumbled leather.
Yeah, with the black.
Very plush.
Oh,
Poke it a little bit.
poke it a little bit. Poke it a little bit. Hey, hey. These ain't come with no laces, right?
No extra laces.
That's weird. Maybe because
That
they
is
spend all the money on the leather.
Maybe. This
I'm not mad at that though.
I'm not either.
I like this,
I'm not mad at
Because
that.
you don't even like to change the laces anyways, right?
I just keep it black.
Keep it like it is.
So these are like the poor man's shatter backboards.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure.
But affordable. 220, 230, 240 on Gold, StockX, and
For early pair.
early
For
pair.
early, yeah.
Like I said, September 24th, retails at 170.
I think they got delayed, that's why, right? And then
Yes.
they released in China? Asia.
We'll say
That's a little bit racist. Okay.
These are probably one of the nicest quality ones in a while.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I mean, the Brotherhoods or is it Heritage? The white and black one. White, black, and red.
Oh, Heritage.
They also restocked.
Heritage, yes.
The Heritage.
They
Those-
are
restocked
still
on
sitting.
Sneakers Live.
Yeah.
And it's still sitting in stores.
Oh,
Yeah.
alright.
I think that one had too much white. This is like
The perfect amount.
perfect amount.
With the ones being saturated, it's like, it's reselling dead.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's not. I don't think it's dead, but I think there's definitely a lot less profit that you're making.
Mm-hmm.
Which is good for
Us.
yes.
Us who pay for our
Actual
shoes.
people
for
that like
videos.
shoes.
Yeah.
Stuff like these, I don't know why these are for almost retail. Because a year ago, 2 years ago,
Oh,
these
yeah.
are probably
Oh,
like 500 plus.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Mocha ones, these are the same quality.
Yeah.
And it's up there for me. And I'm gonna say it right now, with this lineup that is for this year 2022, this is my shoe of the year.
Oh wow. Okay. You
Wait, like out of all the shoes or just out of all the ones?
All the shoes.
Oh wow.
There's-
Dang.
There's nothing I can think of that is like as nice and
So you like these more because you like the Amamanir too. So you like this more than the Amamanir too?
yeah.
Wow.
That's
Is
crazy.
that what shoe of the year, right? Or for you?
For me, it was I mean, these are definitely up there. I like the leather and everything, but
Yeah. Let's show the box because the box is fire.
Fuego.
Well, with a Nike on there.
I like these shoes.
Yeah, these are nice.
Like I said, to me it's shoe of the year so far.
Yeah.
I don't know what else is coming out, but what's been released so far, these are to me are shoe of the year.
I think top contenders right now were Military Black 4s, Bleach Coral Low ones. You had Amamanir 2s, and then probably these.
Yeah, to me these.
Yeah, for me, the Military Black 4s were a great summer shoe. But
This could
But-
also be a great summer shoe.
I mean, yeah,
but
but
now we're getting into fall, and it's still got fall vibes.
Oh
yeah,
yeah. I'm rocking the shit out of this.
yeah, these are hard. I like these.
With the coat, you know me.
Ooh, with the coat, ones with the
Alright.
coat.
You want to do the scale?
Scale 10 out of 10.
Dang, perfect
10 out of
score.
These are like your favorite shoes right now.
Yeah.
Right now, yes,
real,
10
real.
out of
You
10.
have been talking about it for a while.
Yes.
So. It's like going to San Pedro Fish Market. With
Hey.
these. Okay, all right.
Oh, there's a lot of birds there. You might get.
I mean,
Like Sam's.
Ooh. Sam is a local deli that we get
Yeah.
they
sandwiches
definitely
at.
have lunch meat there. All right, so I will give these I'm gonna give these a 9. 9 out of 10.
That's up pretty high.
9.5 for me.
You know, here it is. Jordan 1 Taxis. Releasing September 24th. Retail at $170.
All right, I think that's gonna be it for this video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button down below. Comment also.
Subscribe.
Follow us on our IG, halfway_kicks.
You don't log in, huh?
Yeah, I was gonna say
You don't log in.
password and everything. Capital.
Somebody give it a like. Jesus.
Well, as Drew said, check out our Instagram page at halfway_kicks. And I guess we're gonna see you in the next video. So
Peace.
peace.
The thumbnail.
Oh yeah, let's do a thumbnail.
It's funny.
That's yours, right?
You had that with that smile.
Subscribe and
Turn on your notification.
Welcome to Halfway Kicks.
This is Rocky Kicks.
What is up, guys? Why did I do the double click?
I don't know.
You heard that?
That's a
I think you
recorder.
click-
That's a click recorder.